ordered one from eBay. Don't tell anyone. Hello friends, kind of an odd, I don't know if there's going to be an intro or an outro, but yes, I am in my bedroom attire as I've been keeping myself away from everybody, either just before this vlog or just after this vlog. I'll be putting one up about how I've been a little sickly of late, but of course I wanted to get my watch vlog out there for you guys to see. I will be doing something perhaps in a couple of vlogs time, or perhaps just a mention to say how I get on with the new watch and its extra features, but a couple of things I wanted to point out first of all is the two sizes of boxes here. So I've got this larger one is not last year, 2 years ago, the Series 4 compared to the nice and slim Series 6. And the other thing, not just like the packaging and how more eco-friendly Apple are going, which is great, is that this time, and for the first time, I've gone direct through my network carrier for the watch. So a couple of good things there. It means I can just pay monthly for it. I don't have to pay outright for the watch. And of course I get that full connectivity. So I do have an unlimited data plan, which is great news for my watch. So it's all included in the price, and when I did the maths it wasn't that much different than buying the watch direct from Apple, which is what I normally do, and then paying the £7 a month for the eSIM. I think it worked £19.20 over the 2 years more to have it this way, but of course it's the convenience of paying monthly. I have got the watch on. Let me just roll my sleeve up and show you. I do have it on, and you'll notice I've got my old from my Series 4 sand pink band on there, because I've not taken the blue one out of the packaging yet, because that's the other thing I was going to say, is that I ordered a loop band because that wasn't an option to have it through Vodafone that way, and they are £99 from Apple. Of course I very much go Apple, but I don't have a spare £99, so I've ordered one from eBay. Don't tell anyone. So as it is coming, so UK seller, so it's supposed to have been here in 2 days time, and it's been about 5 days now. So that's obviously going well, or else I was going to show you the new band that I bought as well. So I bought a loop band just to not have the clasp on there. I'll let you know how that works out if it ever arrives. Of course, one of the first things I did before I put the watch on to head out of its, out into its life, was put a screen protector on. I do have, I don't know, it's not an uncontrollable, because I'm sure I could do something about it, but I do have this fear, and all of my phones and my watches, they have to have a screen protector on before I do anything. So I ordered a new packet from Amazon, just 6 in a packet. I think they were £6.99, but I had 1 left in a packet from previous usage, so I put that one on just to be able to get it out and about. And like I say, I put the pink band on there. I think Siri's just asking me to speak to her right now. Me and all my friends. Hey Siri. Oh, sorry, I shouldn't have said that. Yes, I will touch base when I've managed to take her out and about to the gym and into life. But right now, as I said, I am staying close to my bed in my comfy clothes and recuperating. My voice is coming back a little, and it's quite sporadic of whether I have voice or not at the minute, but I didn't want to leave you hanging, and enjoy the unboxing. See you on the flip side.